Hey guys, let's unbox this Tapo solar powered security camera. This is the Tapo C402 kit, right? So it comes with the camera and a solar panel. It's a 1080p full HD security camera, okay? So this camera has also free AI detection, color night vision, weatherproof, and rechargeable battery. Here on the back, some more information about the installation, how you install your camera. You see here the camera with the solar panel. You can install in different positions because it has a long cable. Okay, high efficient solar charging, 1080p Full HD live view, customizable sound and light alarm, color night vision, which is pretty good. You can see in the dark with color. Connect to Wi-Fi directly, and has two-way audio, so you can communicate with audio using your cell phone. Remember that you just install this camera and you see everything from your cell phone with the Tapo app, all right? Has a smart person detection, local and cloud storage. You can install an SD card up to 512 gigabytes, and it's weatherproof as well, right? Remember that you can also use some devices like this one, for example. This is a smart hub. You can also connect to the camera and record here instead of recording to the SD card, or you can do both, record here in the camera and also here. And the third option is to record into the cloud, so you have a lot of redundancy, right? Let me just open the box and see what's inside here. There we go. It should open from here. I see here the solar panel. Let me just remove here from this plastic. Put it here. There we go. Nice one. And here is the camera itself. Just remove from the plastic. See here in front, you see the lens and also the lights, so it turns on, you see, at night with color. There is a microphone. Here is a speaker, and you can also use a tripod or the mount, depending on the installation. Most of the time you're gonna use a mount, right? And here you can just connect to the accessory that comes with the camera. Here you insert the micro SD card. Every single camera comes with this slot. You can open here and install the SD card. There we go, micro SD card. A button to power the camera on and off. An LED here, so you can see. No, this one is not LED, it's a reset. Yes, a reset hole, right? And here you have the USB port for the connection. So you can connect and power the camera and also connect the solar panel. The idea is just to power this camera, charge it, and later you can install the solar panel and the camera keeps charging, being charged by a solar panel, okay? So super simple and small. You see here comparing to the side of my hand. Here's the Tapo logo. There we go, let me just put it here. Check more of the accessories. Here we go, that's the mount. And just remove from the plastic as well. There we go. So you can mount the camera here with the solar panel. So have both working. And the cable, here's an extension cable, so you can install the solar panel far away from the camera. Here, more accessories. The cable, so you can charge with this one as well. Accessory for installation, anchors and screws. Here, a tie wrap, so you can organize your cables. In here, a template for the installation. Every Tapo camera comes with a template like this. Here's some information about setup and FAQ. Paperwork, another template. So I have a template for every single camera. That's good. A quick start guide with all the information. You can scan the QR code, download the app. Here's the LED status, so you can check how your camera is working, and a lot of information here for the installation. See how to charge the battery, mounting tips, set up with the Tapo app, and everything else, right? Super good. It comes with all the information that you need. It's a quick guide, very organized. Okay, Tapo always brings some good documentation for the installation and setup. It's here for the installation as well. Everything that you need, you just use the template for the installation here. Install the camera, the mount, the angle that you can receive, the camera can receive solar power. And here the protection for the cable, because this camera is also weatherproof, right? So super good. That's just a quick unboxing of this Tapo C402 kit, right? I'm gonna make more videos about this camera and the installation later. You can get yours on Amazon. I hope that helps. So please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.